Alrighty guys, how are you doing today? Well, I'm doing just fine. So, I'm going to teach y'all the most question out of all of the things that when I tutor someone. Now, this is all a jumble right now, but you'll figure out what it is shortly. Well, the equation that we're looking at is y equals mx plus b. Now, actually it's a function of a line. The slope is this m right here. So that's the slope of the line. The slope is rise over run, as shown right here. Rise over run is, well, rise is the number of units up or down, depending on the given number for that given slope on that top part of that slope. And up is positive and down is negative. Run is kind of the same thing. It's the number of units right or left. Now, right is positive, left is negative. So you're probably asking, well, we're finding out what m is. Well, why aren't we finding out what x is? Why aren't we finding out what y is? Well, x is the variable that is always going to be there, unless if x is given to you. Like it says y equals mx plus b, x equals 2, figure out what y is. Well, that's not the case at this point in time. B, this b right here, is the y-intercept. Now, you're probably thinking, well, what's the y-intercept? Isn't that what y is? Well, y-intercept is when x equals 0. So let's plug in 0 for this equation, for where x is. Y equals m times 0 plus b. So m, being the slope, times 0 equals 0. So y equals b. Now, what y is up here is actually f of x. F of x is the function in terms of x, which this function is taking out the y, is in terms of x, because m and b will always be numbers. Alright guys, here's our problem. Y equals 3/4 x plus 4. Now I'm going to help you find what m is, which is the slope, if it's positive or negative, and what the b is, the y-intercept. Now, let's write this equation. Y equals mx plus b, so we can remember what we're looking for. M is in front of x in this equation. In the equation that we're trying to find what m is in this equation is 3/4. Okay, so m is 3/4. Now, we're looking for b now. B comes after mx plus, right? Sorry, that was my phone. And so that would be 4, right? Okay. So, now is the slope positive or negative? Well, if you look, it's a 3/4. There is no number that is negative at all. They're both positive. So positive over positive equals a full, complete positive. So it is a positive slope. Guys, thank you for watching that tutoring session, as I would say. There's more to come. That one actually took longer than I thought, because this new camera would like to focus itself. So yeah, well, if you have any more questions, comment below. Please subscribe. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like. See you later.